G on the
Hell is you doing?
New sound, new era. Nah. 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 Cold G. It's a new day. What it is? Pockets on swole now.
Who the hell that?
That's
President. Ain't no damn way you ain't got goddamn big.
6 to 9 live, man. I can't be around. Your own blood, love to see you down.
Yeah. Man, I don't give a fuck. Okay. Bitch.
Got them wondering why they album system slowed down. Cold G Mercedes in the door now. Prove to the game we making noise now. They came from sticking to the cold now. Trips across the country now, niggas stunting now. 20, 50, 100s now, count money now. Never like the
Nigga, what the fuck you back here doing, man? Hey, I got me one. Boy, I need some help. Call some help. Boy, call. Man, what the fuck is you doing, man? Still 3 and 2. Nigga, watch this shit here. It's a big one. Get it out of here. What get it? Hey, man, what the fuck? What the fuck? Boy, these bitches coming out of everywhere. Silk NT. What the fuck? What you got, 22nd? Yeah, I got 22nd, May 22nd, Friday. May 23rd, Friday. This bitch doing something every fucking day. Man, this shit some bullshit, man. Hey, that's just how I go, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I get what you with me, man. May 22nd, May 23rd, and May 24th. You know what I'm talking about? We right here in your motherfucking fade, man. We all the way live, man. Nigga. Hey, what they say, man? Weekend takeover. Them folks say go fishing, man. Yeah. Ooh, you almost had it. You gotta be quicker than that.
These niggas singing like John Legend and it's just the arrangement. Must think he cut it down, now he out his mind now. Get caught up with them hoes, they gon' wipe his nose dry. We'll post it on that block, now I'm about to go now. She rubbing on my job, it's about to go down. It's a new day, pockets on swole now. Rock a lot of shows.